What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be refactoring Asteroids. Here, I'll play it real quick. Okay. And you move using left and right arrows. Well, you don't really move, you just turn. And in order to shoot, you press spacebar, and it's pretty difficult because the acceleration is too great to get a good aim at any specific asteroid. Usually the smaller ones go quicker. Oh gosh. Okay, cool. 10, 12. Gonna get some more. Here we go. Nice. Nice. I actually did this as a coding competition with a couple of my friends that night that I did it. They had almost got their games working. It took me about an hour, which I am surprised. This was more complex than I was expecting. Okay, but it gets pretty easy as they come at you, because obviously due to, like, I don't know, would you call it parallax? They seem bigger relative. Anyways, I lost. Anyways, let's 35. I'll take it. So there's not much to refactor. Here we reference the P5 library, and then we have 4 files that make up different parts. So we've got our Asteroids, which is the main game file. We've got our asteroid.js, which is these circles coming at you. Ship.js, which is the thing in the middle that can rotate and shoot lasers, which are the ammunition, which is projected towards the asteroids. So if we go into asteroids.js, we've got fields and bullets. So field tracks asteroids. This is kind of like the belt, the asteroid belt. You'd reference the asteroid fields in order to update each of them. The bullets tracks lasers. What's going on, Dragon Templates? Nice to see you here. I'm a bit late today. My apologies. Score, not that one, my bad. I meant the ship is the player. Score is the score. Pretty simple. Do you ever get lonely in here? You see, I do. I do. But it's okay. I've got ways of, you know, handling the loneliness. Okay. If we do create canvas, that's our game window. Pretty cool. It's a nice aspect ratio. We translate to mid screen. I do need more people. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. I'm still gonna like do the videos, but it's much more fun when there are more people. And also, I don't know what I'm gonna do during school, because I'm not gonna be able to do this during school. Code robots to watch it for you. Yeah, I could do that. I mean, it would be they'd generate some random comment. They'd machine learn the comments that have already been said, and they'd spit out a new one to make me feel better. Anyways, ship equals new ship. Random color. Cool. This is pretty simple. All we do is give it random colors. Now what we do, we have score equals 0. The draw function, which is background, also handles the keys. If you know Python, make some Discord robots. Oh, okay. I don't know Python specifically. I feel like it'd be easy. It's kind of a basic language. There are too many caveats that I've seen. So we need kind of we need, first of all, what do we call it? When we want to push a new asteroid, we say new asteroid. Asteroid. I think I've been spelling asteroid wrong. Function new asteroid. Oop. There, and we paste that in. Now what we say is, this is our function. Attempt every, what do you see? Okay. Every half a second. Okay, in here, this is where we're gonna say map score from 0 to, say, 1,000. And it's going to be 0. From 0.75, and it's gonna go all the way down to 0.25. It's gonna be real crazy at 1,000. That's our increase difficulty. Now I can code Python. If you can. If you can. Wait, I can code. Oh, okay, you're saying I can code Python if you can. Hopefully, I've done. There was this website. I don't think it's a very good website. Code. I forgot. Code Python. No. Train Python and Java. I can't remember the exact. Nope, not that one. It's this one. Oh, there we go. Under construction. Nice, nice, nice. This is our computer science. Let's see. Does he have academic? Come on. Code. Okay, not online books. Coding Bat. Here we go. This is Coding Bat. I wouldn't recommend using this. But, whoa. This is an old website. What happened? Oh. Okay, we'll just search up. Okay, that's his. Okay, here is Coding Bat. Yeah, this is, Python. It's a really, really, shoddy website, but it's kind of nice. It has a lot of little, exercises, like sleep in. It's really nice. Can show the solution, and you can test it yourself. I used this for a little bit when I was just kind of bored. I wouldn't use it for like actually training. I mean, actually learning, but yeah. Yeah, okay. So, let's let's continue. Okay. So new asteroid attempts a new asteroid. Yeah. There we go. So, radius, size, essentially. Okay, and we say generate only on the edges. No, this isn't size actually. This is plain to randomize. So we use the R to figure out generate only on the edges. There we go. And then, yeah, okay. Cool, that's new asteroid. Essentially what this does is we generate a random number and we check, see if it's greater than one half, which it has half the chance of being greater than one half as it does with less than one half. If it's greater than that, then we randomize the width. So it means that the y value is stuck. It means we only want them from the corners or from the edges. Plain to randomize essentially means with the R, if the width is randomized, then the height is fixed. If the height is randomized, that means we're on these edges, and that means the width is fixed. So that we only have to randomize one of them, but we have to figure out which one to randomize so that we don't randomize the other. So handle keys, this handles user input. I know I'm gonna change this to rotate. There we go. So now key pressed handles user input for laser. For rotation. There we go. Now end game. What do we have at end game? Ends the loop. Displays message. There we go. Rand color. Returns a random color. There we go. What is my typing speed right now? It feels really snappy. So here within the draw, we handle asteroids. Let's just say handle field. And we'll put that here. Actually, no, we'll put this right under here. Function handle asteroids. Handle field. There. Okay. So this updates draws. Okay, so here we're... Nope. Didn't mean to do that. Update draw. Pretty simple. Check collision. There we go. If it penetrates fields, then the asteroid was hit. Need to put an E in there, and therefore we do a whole bunch of stuff. So here, bullets j.penetrates field I, we say splice, manage arrays, then we increment score, and then we break. Can't we just return? I think we can just return. I think so. Okay. Updates draws. Handles collision. We're just gonna say and handles collision. For asteroids in field array. Asteroids. It's with an E, right? Is it? Asteroids. Cool. It is. Now it's pretty good. Handle field. We already referenced it. I'll try to remember that, Joe Flo. You gonna watch the eclipse next Monday? Next Monday. Wait, you're talking next Monday, or is it? It's not this upcoming one you're saying, right? It's the next one after that. I think. But that Monday is actually the first day of school, and our ISD has a policy, because they believe that the students will burn their eyes looking at the sun. So it's kind of a bummer. It's the first day of school for us, but yeah. We'll have a draw score. Draw score. Function. Put that under here. Function draw score. There we go. And this draws player's score. There we go. Pretty simple. You get the day off. Ooh, I'm envious. Anyways, let's see. We'll do handle bullets too. Handle bullets. Come over here and we'll say above this, below the other handles. Function handle bullets. There, cool. Now this updates, draws, and manages bullets array. Okay, so we loop, updating draw, update and draw, else, not visible, delete from array. There we go. Is it the same stuff you learn on con? Are you? I'm not sure. I'm kind of confused. I don't usually use Khan Academy. Seems to, I don't know. Why don't I? Either way, I don't know. Maybe it's because it's literally shoved down our throats to use it, and it's only computer science forces us to do Khan Academy, and I don't feel like it's helping at all. It's really only math. What our teacher has us do is do like 8th grade or higher math, and we have to get 1,000 points or something, and it's really pointless because it's basic math and it's not fun at all, and that's why I have bad taste in my mouth because of it. Okay, draw score, cool, update and draw ship. We'll say handle everything. There we go. Yep. Cool. So I'd say this is very well documented. At least the main file. Let's go into ship. Ship. This is changed to rotate. Body color. Perimeter color. Nah, here we'll just say edge color. We'll just say stroke. Stroke color. Fill color. Fill color, stroke color. There. Stroke color, stroke color, stroke color. Okay, where do we draw? This dot PC, this dot FC. Actually, it's fill color. There we go. Push pop. Okay, here's where it gets kind of odd. Not yet. Angle. We'll name this theta because that's kind of convention a little bit. Angle velocity. Now what we will say is angle. Ooh. Step A plus equals. Okay, there. Oh wait, no, this is A. Let's do angle velocity, angle velocity, angle velocity. This dot angle. Stop angle. There we go. Oop, there we go. I have disabled resample. Thanks for reminding me. You and Joflo. Jolfo. Joflo. I'm joking. Let's see. The thing is, I don't have resample even on because I'm not using Sony Vegas. I'm streaming directly from OBS to YouTube, and having resample would actually make for some more. It'd take up more CPU power. It wouldn't look as good. So that's why there's no resample on OBS directly. So update changes angle based or by angle velocity. Pretty simple. Shoot shoots a laser pushes it to past or R array. What's the name of this? Bullets array. Cool. Rotate changes the velocity based upon acceleration. There. Now within draw, this is the only complex one, which is usually the other way around. Usually the update function and sister functions are the ones that are the most difficult, but this time the draw is the most difficult. Always remember to disable resample. I always forget. Will do. You know, there's actually a here, I'll fire it up real quick. I'll show you real quick. If I do video, if I do something like, hang on, didn't want to do that. Not that. Okay, let's just open this. Okay, so if I have 100, ignore, yeah. Oh, heck. Why is it doing this? It loads much faster when I ignore, leave them offline. So I have this script, and it takes all of your media. It's really nice. And it disables resample. So if you come over here, and I'm pretty sure you can click properties, has smart resample, as you can see, and it looks terrible. Either way, you can go to tools, scripting, smart render, disable, click it. Now if we do properties, all of them are disabled. Every single one. Disabled, resample, whereas you saw earlier they were all resampled, and we didn't want that. But it's a nice little nice plugin. It's actually just a script. Let's see. Indeed. Okay. So if we have dot draw draws the ship. Yeah, draws the ship. Okay, so we initialize colors. Save current translation. It is a late stream. There was a runner that came by who was going off to college tomorrow, and we had to say our goodbyes and everything, give him a card, and yeah. Draw relative to the center. Okay, and then we say draw relative to the angle of the ship, and then we actually draw triangle, and then revert translations and rotations. Save translations, and rotations. There you go. So that should be good for ship. Should still work. Yep, because we changed rotate there. Nice. Nope. There we go. Cool. Let's go to asteroid.js. Is this program you're using to code? Did you I don't know. I don't know if there's a disable resample setting. Ay, caramba. My apologies. But if there is, you'd have to tell me about it, because I don't know. Is there disable resampling? That's something I'd have to check up on. Okay, so it seems like, okay, this dot size. Let's replace all on that. Now we have this dot c dot color, and we're gonna say find replace, and we're actually gonna do, yeah, okay, that's fine. Let's find this dot s. Yeah, okay. Eyes there. No results. Good. Size color. This is actually the radius. Gonna change this to size, this to color. Awesome. Now we have radius is what I meant to say. Didn't you make this game before? I did. Right now I'm refactoring. I'm going back and I'm making the code more readable, easier to understand, and I'm also going over how it works for the most part. Not all of it, but I try and go over most of it. So this directs asteroid toward ship. Yeah, okay. And it also checks collision with ship. Cool. So yeah, I created 25 games, and then I kind of ran out of games, and I realized my games were poorly coded for the most part, and so I'm going back now and I'm reworking a lot of them. Actually, all of them. So, figure out path. So here is our path to the center. We say change magnitude based upon size of asteroid. This is kind of confusing, but it's pretty basic. Can I make Minecraft? I have gotten that suggestion many times. Maybe that's what I should do during the school year. Maybe I should make a JavaScript Minecraft or a processing Minecraft. I think that'd be cool. I think I'm gonna do that during the school year and be streaming that. I think that'd be really cool. I have no clue how to do 3D like maths, but I'll probably just use an engine then. But we'll see. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll see. If so, how many Minecrafts do you have to use to make Minecraft? How many Minecrafts? I know somebody has made Donkey Kong in Minecraft. I don't know if anybody has made Minecraft in Minecraft, because that would take a lot of calculations. If we say position.addPath, change position based upon path. There we go. Now we check collision with ship. There we go. I'm gonna draw this out real quick. It's a joke. I didn't know you were actually planning on doing it. I probably won't, to be quite honest. I actually want Paint 3D. There we go. Now, so if I do this, if this is our target, okay. Here, I'll first draw the circle. Can I get a circle? Circle, here we go. So here's our asteroid. Can I change the color real quick? None, solid, color, let's make it green. Thickness is gonna be a little bit greater. Good. Now what we want is we want a line, or an arrow actually, but anyways. Here, I won't do that just yet, actually. If our ship is in the middle, like this is our ship. And I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. How you doing? I cannot pronounce your name. Let's try and see. Dude, am I getting sick? This is a bummer if I am. Okay, Google Translate. Spanish. Okay, it's Japanese. Ponto potato. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. You guys can't hear that, can you? No, can you? No, you can't. Why can't you? Properties, default. Now these are that. There we go.
Ponpoko tanuki.
There we go. Now I can hear it.
Ponpoko tanuki.
Ponpoko tanuki. Wow, they have the little. This isn't quite a pronunciation key, but it does. I'm hyped. I'm hyped because that means I don't have to work anymore, and work cut out a lot of time in my coding, and I think I'll be less busy once school starts. Surprisingly. Okay, so here is the point we're trying to get to. This has an X and a Y. We have an X and a Y for this. X, Y, right here. And we also have an X. Oh, X, Y. It's really hard drawing with the mouse. We have an XY. So if these XYs are like 100... can I just do text? If this is 100, 10, let's lower the size a tad. It's just kind of... There we go. If this is 100, 10... And then this is, let's say 300, 300. I know those aren't the exact things, but we subtract them. Now the way we do that is we say, we get the middle one, and then we subtract this position from it. And we say 300 minus 100, 300 minus 10. So that gives us our 200 comma 290. This gives us the let's see, can I time this correctly? This gives us, no, I want that. Can I rotate it also? Whew, this is fancy. This is much better than Paint. Let me shorten. There we go. Nice. That gives us the direction and a velocity, but it's a really big velocity, and that's why we set the magnitude right here. We set the magnitude of it. That means it's the same exact direction. However, it's much smaller. It's a set magnitude, so that we only retain the actual angle, but we do not retain the speed, because if we were to retain the speed, it would get there instantly, but we want to get there over time, over quite a few frames. So that's how it works. That's essentially what the velocity comes out to. Velocity, again, is just kind of an X and a Y. Scalars and vectors, we're using polar coordinates to handle the ship, and we're using and the bullets, polar coordinates for the lasers and we're using Cartesian coordinates for the asteroids. I'm not too sure what scalars are, but I know vectors. I know vectors pretty well. I'm pretty pretty acquainted with them. Check the collision. Essentially, we just check the collision with the ship. It's pretty simple. Distance is greater than the radius. There we go. End the game. We're good. Now we draw. This one's easy. Draws asteroid. Asteroid. There we go. Cool. Lastly, we've got, okay, can we get some asteroids real quick? Whoop. We lost. It's not drawing, is it? Asteroid. Let's type in fields. We have 3 asteroids. So what's up? Position. It's a vector. 3. Yeah, this one's the one that hit us. This one's not quite close. Yeah, neither is that one. It's the first one. So we aren't drawing them. What's up with the drawing? Fill this dot color equals color. Okay, that's fine. Stroke weight dot color. Can I say no fill? I don't know. Oh, that's why. No, okay. We're gonna change this to position. Position. This dot 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 size. This dot position. This dot position. Oh, here it is. That's what we were missing. Okay, cool. Okay, it's going the opposite way. Why is that? Oh, what happened? I think we call position in another function. Can we like check a collision or something? Maybe it's within laser. Yeah, there we go. Position. That's where it checks. Size. There. Let's test. Okay. So we have some problems. So what's up? Asteroid, it's within asteroid, it's gotta be. If this hits me, will it actually, dang it, okay. I was hoping it would actually hit me just to see if the collision works, with the ship. Can we do, let's do dot position. Okay, nowhere. Good. So when we draw it, we are having trouble. What's up? Is it all of these vectors? Oh, this top position. There we go. Now we're subtracting the position. Okay, hit it. Now we should have more of these. There we go. Let's let this one hit us. Oh, no. Okay. Game over. Good. Everything's working just fine now. Let's go to laser. This is the ammunition. Angle. Let's do this dot A. This dot A. This dot angle. Okay, it only happens thrice. Why did I say thrice? Theta. Size. Radius. Angle. Cool. Speed. This dot S. This dot speed. This dot S. Speed. find, replace, only happens once. Let's do radius, so our radius, there. Find, replace, and that's all. We'll have a, well, okay, say position. There must be a reason. Okay, we're doing this dot position equals create vector null, I think. So what's up with this then? How is it null? Var d, where do we create it? Where do we say point equals? Oh, here. Yeah, I guess we won't x and y. Okay. Cartesian coordinates. Okay, did I spell that correctly? Cartesian. I did. Nice. Okay. So essentially what this does is, so we have the x and y, but we handle them in polar coordinates. This is what we do. We do all the calculations within our polar coordinates, like where it should be next, but we have to draw through the Cartesian coordinates. And we have to use some converting to do that. Calculates new position. Yeah, there we go. Calculates new position. Actually, it should be, yeah. And then we say reflects, converts that position to Cartesian coordinates. There we go. Okay. Change position, and then we say convert to Cartesian. There we go. On screen equals greater than width. Okay, this also updates on screen state. So I'll just copy that. Update on screen state. Oh, there. Cool. Penetrates. We're just asking. Returns whether the laser hits asteroid. Oh, asteroid. Asteroid. Okay, here we draw the laser. Draws the laser. Cool. Pretty simple. What commenting did I use for this? Save translations and rotations. And then we said revert to translations and rotations. So what we're doing here is we push to save where we are. Where our screen is looking, because this is a grid. This right here, this is all a grid. The grid extends into the negatives and even farther into the positives, but we can only see the canvas. So if you translate, right now I'm translating to the width and the height so that the ship is in the middle. This would normally be at 0, 0. But we translate to width divided by 2, height divided by 2, meaning we go back to it'd normally be up here, but then we translate back up to it. And so technically all of these coordinates in this quadrant are negative. the only positive coordinates are down here. So this is 0, 0, technically. And so we have to translate also with laser. We have to say, because we want to draw them relative to the ship, and the ship is drawn relative to center screen. So we have to translate. The reason we keep the translations or rotations is because we have to draw the asteroids, which are not relative to the ship. Well, okay, I'm kind of going at this the wrong way. When I say relative, I don't necessarily mean the position as much as I mean the angle, because obviously we want to draw the asteroids directing toward it, and once it gets close to it, we game over. But since the bullets have an angle to them that's relative to the ship, we have to rotate the bullets relative to the center screen, and we have to rotate. So that's cool. We actually aren't rotating here. We're simply translating because honestly you don't really need to rotate a singular point. It's just kind of you don't need to. So that's cool. That should be all of them refactored now. Come on. There. And it gets harder and harder as we play, hopefully. It's navy and gold. If I just do this, will this give me, oh gosh. Oh, I hit it. Okay. Okay. See, this works for now. This is funny. Maybe there should be a cooldown. I don't know. That'll be up to you guys to create the cooldown. I have disabled resample. You'd be getting some screen tearing if I didn't. No, it's not screen tearing, but... Oh gosh, yes, it definitely does get more difficult. Anyways, that'll conclude today's refactoring. Tomorrow, we will be refactoring... What will we be refactoring, huh? My channel. Okay, videos. If we go down here, we will be refactoring Skyburger. That's a fun one. Cool. Thank you. I appreciate the proudness. But yeah, we'll be refactoring Skyburger. So that'll be fun. Hopefully I will see all of you there. Planning on it. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys Monday. Peace, peace.